Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of solving SQL. So today we are going to solve customers who bought all the products. So in this problem, it is a medium level problem, but after I have solved this one, you might say this is an easy one. In this problem, there are two tables, customers and products. There are two tables that is given to us. So the customer table has two columns. For customer ID is the primary ID, and product key it is the foreign key to this table, and product key has only one column, that is the primary product ID. So uh, in customer ID there are unique customer IDs. So question is, write a solution to report the customer IDs from customer table that bought all the products in the product table. How to solve this problem? So let us find um, the unique products that are in the product table. Unique products that are in the product table. And for each customer, count the number of products, number of unique products. If both the counts match, that means those customer had bought all the products. Suppose there are 10 products in this table, distinct products, 10 unique products, and for each customer, I counted the product key, distinct product key for each customer using group by or maybe a window function. And for those customers whose counts match, that is for those customers whose count of distinct product key is 10, I will output those customers. That is our required customers. That is our required customer ID. Okay, for let us see the example here. So in the input, there's a customer table, a customer ID. There are like three customers, unique customers, and product key 5 and 6. In the product table, there is only two, 5 and 6. Now let us check uh, customers. Customer number 2 has only bought 6. So customer number 2 is eliminated. Customer ID 1, he has bought 5, he has bought 6. So customer ID 1 has bought all the products. Customer ID 3 has bought all the products 5 and 6. So the output table is customer ID 1 and 3. So I have already told you how to solve this problem. So you might take a second and go to this lit code problem and you solve yourself, or you can pause the video. After that, you come to the video again and I will be solving here. So how to solve this? Now let us solve this. I will select what needs to be shown in the output table, customer ID. Okay. So I will select customer ID from what? From customer table. Customer table. I will do a group by. But I will do a group by or product, right? Or customer ID. I will do a group by or customer ID. I will do a group by or ID having. I will do a having clause. It's a filter clause for group by. Having is the filter clause for group by. So what will I write in the condition? In having, count of product ID. So count of distinct, right? Distinct product ID. So why am I writing distinct? Maybe one customer bought same product multiple times. That can also happen. But I need to eliminate that condition. So I am writing distinct. So count of distinct product ID must be equal to, I am writing a subquery here, select distinct, count of distinct product, count of distinct, distinct spelling wrong. Count of distinct product key from product table, from the product table. So this query should work, right? It is not a this wait. So I have selected customer ID, but this selection will return me multiple same customers. So I have to select a distinct. This distinct customer ID from customers. So I think this will work. So let us see. Okay, it is accepted. Now let us submit. So this is correct. So you can go through the example. So as I have told you, this is not a like medium level. This is a easy question. So thank you for the video. Thank you.